Welcome to today's video, where we'll take a quick look at how a complex PCB is designed and produced. It all starts with a concept in electronic design. The design is first converted to a schematic diagram that captures components and connectivity. Next, PCB designers place the components onto the PCB layout. It's like solving a puzzle to ensure everything fits perfectly. Minimizing the overall PCB area, reducing number of layers, and ease of creating a good electrical layout are the main care about during component placement. Now, it's time to route the PCB to connect the placed components with the traces. The traces are the roads on which electrical current travels. During routing, the PCB designer must consider noise immunity, power requirements, signal integrity requirements, and signal bandwidth requirements. Next, several rounds of quality checks are performed on the design. Design software helps identify design and design for manufacturing issues using a set of design rule violation or DRC checks. Once the design is perfected, it's time to prepare the files for manufacturing. This includes generating Gerber files, documenting PCB fabrication instructions, generating bill of materials or BOM, and creating assembly instructions. The PCB design files are sent to a manufacturing facility. PCB is fabricated layer by layer by etching the copper layers. Multiple such layers are pressed together with FR4 insulator in between layers to make the PCB stack. Then, holes are drilled, and PCB is plated with copper to provide electrical connectivity between PCB and components. The fabricated PCB is taken to PCB assembly floor, where solder paste is applied to the exposed copper pads on the PCB. Then a precision pick-and-place machine carefully places the components onto the PCB. PCB with mounted components then go through a reflow oven to solder the components to the PCB. And there you have it, a complex PCB, ready to power the next generation of devices. Don't forget to test the PCB thoroughly to assure quality of the product. To know more about testing, please watch our video on different testing types performed on electronics products. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time.